If you are planning a Disneyland Paris trip with a toddler and wondering what they can actually go on without meltdowns, fear or total overwhelm, then this video is for you. We've done Disneyland Paris with toddlers, preschoolers, tired little legs, overstimulated afternoons and snack negotiations, all of it. We have done it all. So today I'm sharing our top 10 rides with no height restrictions that toddlers can ride, plus a few honest parent tips along the way. Dumbo, the flying elephant. This is peak Disney magic for little ones. You gently fly up and down in Dumbo. It's calm, it's outdoors, and it makes them feel like they're flying. It's also one of the best photo moments with rides with toddlers because look at that view, it's so cool. At number 2 we have Le Pays des Contes de Fées. This one's particularly good if you want to rest those tired little legs. It's calm, it's a magical experience, and it's a gentle little boat ride past miniature fairy tale scenes and tiny castles. No loud noises, no darkness that feels scary, and no sudden movements. If it's your toddler's first ever Disney ride, this is a beautiful place to start. Mad Hatter's Teacups. So this one is as calm or as chaotic as you make it. It's good for children of different ages, and you control the spin, so if your toddler is a little sensitive, keep it gentle, or if they're in full giggle mode, you can go it a little faster. It's colourful, it's outdoors, and usually full of laughter. This one needs little introduction. It's a small world. You cannot leave this off the list. It's slow, it's colourful, it's cheerful, it's air conditioned, which honestly is elite planning in the summer. There is constantly something to look at and nothing that jumps out or startles them. Yes, the song will live in your head forever, but for toddlers it's one of the safest, happiest rides in the entire park, and honestly it's my favourite. I don't care how old I am, and it's the perfect one to end your day on when little legs are tired, or even bigger legs are tired. Next up we have the Lancelot Carousel. Sometimes simple really is best. It's just a traditional carousel with no surprises, no darkness and no sudden speed. If your toddler loves a merry-go-round, this is guaranteed joy. I like this one because of the music. It's sort of old school Disney, it's very me, so I find this quite relaxing and it's nice to just have a little sit down. Next up we have Buzz Lightyear's Laser Blast. This one is more energetic and interactive. You spin, you shoot lasers, you defeat Zurg. It is darker, slightly louder than the others, so it's better for the more confident toddlers. But if they love Toy Story, this could be an absolute hit. It is awesome and parents will get very, very competitive. Russ and I always try and beat each other and it's usually him, but hey ho, what can you do? Next up is Peter Pan's Flight. Now I warn you, the queues for this get huge, and for one very good reason. It is epic. This one feels proper magical. It's so cute. You fly over London and Neverland in a pirate ship. Now honest parent warning, it is dark and the queue can be so long. But if your toddler is okay with low light, this is one of those core memory rides. Disneyland Railroad. So this is basically a moving rest break. It circles the park with stops in different lands. It's great for tired legs, snack time even, letting toddlers reset and seeing bits of the park without walking. It's especially good if you have any little train enthusiasts out there, as it's an awesome steam train, as you can see. Sort of similar to Peter Pan's Flight, so this is Pinocchio's Voyage. There is also one dedicated to Snow White, which is very, very similar. It's a classic storybook ride, gentle movement, nostalgic scenes, but there are dark moments. Some toddlers love it, some don't. So this one, again, depends on your little one. And finally, we have Orbitron. So this one will be for the slightly braver toddlers. It's basically Space Dumbo. You sit in a rocket and you control how high you go. There is no height restriction when they're riding with you, and you control the up and down movement, or of course they can. So if your little one loves the idea of flying but wants to go a bit higher than Dumbo, then this can feel like a proper adventure. It does lift higher above the ground, so if your toddler isn't keen on heights, maybe skip it. But for confident little thrill seekers like ours, this can be such a proud moment. So that's it for our top 10 rides in the main park, and just a few extra tips from us before we go. So dark does not always mean it's scary, but you should preview rides if your child is sensitive. You can plan calmer rides around nap time. Snacks, of course, are non-negotiable. You do not need to do everything. Pick a few must-dos per morning. Disney with toddlers is slower, but it's magical in a completely different way. If this helped you plan your trip, please give this video a little like so other families can find it. If you are wondering about a specific ride and your toddler, drop it in the comments and I will give you an honest answer. We've done this stage, it's chaotic, it's snack fueled, but it is absolutely beautiful and it is absolutely worth it. Ta-ta for now, bye!